Introduction. Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain the Runway ML website, its features, how it works, and how users can create AI-powered videos and visual content easily. Artificial intelligence is transforming the creative industry, and Runway ML is one of the most advanced AI tools available today. It helps users generate, edit, and enhance videos and images using simple text prompts and AI-powered tools. Let's explore the website and understand its main features. What is Runway ML? Runway ML is an AI-powered creative platform that allows users to generate videos, edit content, remove backgrounds, create special effects, and transform ideas into visual media. The platform is designed for content creators, students, filmmakers, marketers, designers, and anyone interested in AI-powered creativity. One of Runway ML's most popular features is text-to-video generation, where users can create videos simply by describing what they want to see. Homepage overview. When we open the Runway ML website, we see a modern and professional interface. The homepage introduces the platform's AI tools and showcases examples of videos created by users. At the top of the page, users can sign up, log in, access their projects, and explore different AI features. The homepage also highlights the latest AI models and creative possibilities available on the platform. Creating a video with text-to-video. One of the most exciting features of Runway ML is text-to-video generation. Users simply enter a text prompt describing a scene. The more detailed the prompt, the better the generated result. This feature allows users to create professional-looking videos without traditional filming equipment. Image-to-video feature. Runway ML also offers an image-to-video feature. Users can upload a static image and convert it into a moving video. For example, a simple image of a landscape can be transformed into a dynamic scene with moving clouds, flowing water, or camera motion. This feature is useful for presentations, social media content, and storytelling. Video editing tools. Runway ML provides several AI-powered editing tools. These tools help users trim and edit videos, add visual effects, enhance video quality, remove unwanted objects, improve workflow efficiency. The platform simplifies tasks that traditionally require advanced editing software and professional skills. Background removal feature. One of the most useful features is background removal. Users can upload a video and remove the background automatically without using a green screen. For example, a person recorded in a room can be placed into a different environment, such as a beach, a city street, a studio setup, or a nature scene. This feature is particularly helpful for content creators and video editors. AI video effects. Runway ML offers creative AI effects that can transform videos into different artistic styles. Users can apply cinematic looks, animation effects, stylized visuals, and creative filters. These effects help make videos more engaging and visually appealing. Benefits of Runway ML. There are several advantages of using Runway ML. First, it saves time by automating complex editing tasks. Second, it allows users to create videos without advanced technical skills. Third, it provides powerful AI tools in a simple and user-friendly interface. Finally, it helps creators produce professional quality content quickly and efficiently. Conclusion. In conclusion, Runway ML is a powerful AI-powered creative platform that enables users to generate videos, edit content, remove backgrounds, and create visual effects with ease. Its advanced AI tools, user-friendly interface, and innovative video generation capabilities make it a valuable resource for creators, students, marketers, filmmakers, and designers. Whether you want to create videos from text, animate images, or edit content using AI, Runway ML offers a fast and effective solution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this overview helped you understand the features and functionality of the Runway ML website.